AFO Fire Extinguisher Ball. How do we put out fires ASAP? The AFO Fire Extinguisher Ball is your handy choice anywhere, anytime. In only 3 to 5 seconds, the situation can be fully controlled. The AFO Fire Extinguisher Ball is only 1.3 kilograms. Both seniors and children can use it easily. The AFO Fire Extinguisher Ball applies the most advanced technology, creating the easiest way to put out fires effectively. You can use it in all kinds of environments, such as living rooms, kitchens, offices, shopping malls, and also on transportation like buses, fishing boats, etc. The AFO Fire Extinguisher Ball can simply and effectively put out the fire for you wherever you are, securing your life and property. AFO Fire Extinguisher Ball.